Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up landlord expenses with Cozy for tax filing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start backing up your landlord expenses with Cozy, log in to your Cozy account. Once you're in, navigate to the Finances tab located on the left sidebar. In the Finances section, select Expenses from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your recorded expenses. To add a new expense, click on the Add Expense button. Fill in the required fields, including the date, amount, and category of the expense. If you have a receipt, you can upload it by clicking the Upload Receipt button. Select the appropriate file from your device and confirm the upload. Review the information to ensure accuracy and click Save. Repeat this process for all relevant expenses throughout the year. To view your expenses in detail, return to the Expenses section. Use the filters to narrow your search by date range or category. For tax filing, you may want to generate a report. To do this, click on the Reports option in the Finances tab. Select Expense Report from the available options. Customize your report by setting the desired date range. Once you've made your selections, click Generate Report. The report will compile all your expenses for the specified period. You can then download this report in PDF or CSV format for easy reference. Make sure to store your receipts and reports in a safe location. This will help ensure you have everything you need for tax filing. Using Cozy simplifies the process of tracking and backing up your landlord expenses. With these steps, you're now ready to manage your financial records effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.